name's Anastasio Rocha Jr. and today is the 24th. I just got my CDL. I scored a 96, and
pretty easy, huh?
pretty easy, yeah.
First time you ever drove a truck like that?
Yes, sir.
And first time you ever backed a truck?
Yes, sir.
Matter of fact, you never backed a truck with me, and you scored perfect.
Yes, sir.
Did that worry you?
Yeah, I was worried a little bit, but then, you know.
Well, it's like you followed directions, and you
I
came
listened
in.
to your advice, and
Cool.
got it.
So everything went as well as what we said it was going to
Yes,
be.
sir.
And
exactly what you said, that's how it was.
Yeah, you just pay attention and you get your license.
Yes, sir.
That's what it is.
Yes, sir.
Well, man, I appreciate you coming out getting your license. You came all the way from where?
From Edinburgh, Texas.
Edinburgh, Texas.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Well, thank you.
Thank you.